morning, what between her strength and her impatience, she slammed all the doors so loudly. Never mind how often she had been begged not to do so, that no one in the whole apartment could enjoy any quiet sleep after her arrival. She noticed nothing unusual as she took her customary peep into Regal's room. She thought he was lying motionless on purpose, pretending to be in the sulks. She credited him with every kind of intelligence, since she happened to have the long-handled broom in her hand. She tried to trickle him out with it from the door. It did not take her long to establish the truth of the matter, and her eyes widened. She let out a whistle and did not waste much time over it, but tore open the door of the Samsa's bedroom.
কেনবে সংশয়ে সন্তাপে শোকে রবে কি হেথা